So for the egg burger, we'll obviously need an egg. I'm taking here a free range egg, which is healthier than normal eggs because the hens are actually grazed in a natural environment, and that's why they are called free range. That means the hens have they are not clogged on into the few cubicles kind of thing, and they are free in the farm and they graze on the farm naturally. So these are very healthy eggs, and these are rich in omega-3 fatty acid also. So normally what brand I use is this free range eggs from Farm Made. This is a very good brand that we get here, and they're very healthy eggs. So next we'll need a burger bun for the burger. So I have sliced the burger bun into like this, two parts. Then we need I have here the red cabbage, so I have taken here the red cabbage. If you don't have, it's okay. I have taken here two different types of lettuces. One of them is a normal lettuce and one of them is the iceberg lettuce, okay, to give the crunch to the burger. Then we need I have taken here finely chopped two green chilies, one tomato sliced into half a millimeter thickness like this. Then I have taken one onion, which is also sliced in thin slices like this. Then for the making of the egg, we'll need some salt to taste, red chili masala, the turmeric powder, and for the final making of the burger, I need I've taken this Hellmann's real mayonnaise, it's very good in flavor. Then we have here the American Garden US mustard. This is also really good company. Then we have here the same American Garden ranch. So if you don't have ranch, it's fine, this is optional. I like ranch in the flavor and texture of the ranch, so I am using it. If you don't have it, that's fine. Then we need maybe a teaspoon and half of the Amul butter, that is salted butter I have taken. So let's get started and make the yummy egg burger. And of course, if you want to make a cheeseburger, I have here a slice of cheese, or you can take a cheddar cheese cubicle also and grate it over the burger also. So I am making the burger out of one egg. So I'll crack an egg into a bowl. Look at the color of the yolk, such a lovely golden color. Then we need just a pinch of turmeric powder, around half a teaspoon of red chili masala, that is according to your taste, and we need just a pinch of salt. Whisk it nicely and thoroughly. Incorporate a lot of air into the mixture so that your omelette turns to be nice and fluffy. You can also add around 2 teaspoons of milk in your mixture if you think that it is getting a little thick and you want to add body to the mixture. Also, milk actually enhances the softness of the omelette. So I'll just add around 2 teaspoons and milk and show you. So I'm adding around 2 teaspoons of cow milk into the mixture, and then again whisk it. This gives really very good softness to the omelette. Okay, so now let's start frying the omelette. So the pan seems to be nice and hot now. I'll add a teaspoon of coconut oil and a teaspoon of butter. So let the butter get melted. The flame is on low. So now is the time to add our egg mixture. So mix it again well and then put it on the pan. Let it spread as much as it wants to, or you can also spread it with a spatula like this. Let the egg have a thin layer. We don't want a very thick kind of egg omelette. So now cook this over low flame, and once you have put the mixture, you can make the flame medium. Now let us make the flame medium and cook it on both the sides like any other omelette, and then I'll show you. So let's check whether the undersurface is, yeah, the undersurface is nicely done. Now turn the flip of the omelette and then cook it on the other side also. It doesn't take more than 30-40 seconds for the egg to get cooked for the omelette. So let it cook nicely. Look at the air that is there in the omelette, because we nicely whisked the omelette. Now see, wonderful color it has taken. Now reduce the flame, and now let's take this out in a plate, and I'll assemble the burger and show you. See, such a lovely golden color it has taken. So the pan is still hot. I'll just put half a teaspoon of butter in it. Spread the butter and we'll just saute the burger bun over low flame. So let it take little golden color. The flame is on low, and let the rawness basically of the butter go away. I'm putting little butter on this side so that we get good golden color or light golden color on the upper side as well and lower side. So saute this. You can saute it on medium flame also. So I'll just make the flame medium. So remember, we have made the omelette in the same pan, so it will take the flavor of the pan also. So turn it around and just give it little light brown color. Like this, and just, yeah. So the bun is done. So now we will assemble the burger. I'll switch off the flame and take out the burger buns. So as you can see, the burger buns are nicely toasted on butter and oil. So now this is the lower part of the bread and this is the upper end. So now what we'll do is we'll put a little bit of ketchup. So ketchup is again optional. If you feel, you can put it. If you don't want, you can avoid it. So on the lower part of the burger, this part, I'll put little butter, maybe around a teaspoon of butter, and then just spread it equally. Don't put too much of ketchup because then again the burger will get soggy. Then we'll put a teaspoon of mayonnaise. Again spread it evenly. Mayonnaise gives the burger a nice creamy texture. So now we'll put around half a teaspoon of the mustard paste. So spread this also evenly, and now is the time to put the egg or the omelette that we made. So let's keep the omelette. You can actually break also and keep it like this, so that you get even omelette on in each bite actually. Then we'll put the ranch sauce. Ranch is again optional, so maybe around half a teaspoon of ranch. Ranch is little liquidy, so be careful when you're putting it. So just spread it as much as you can. And now let's put the green chilies, the tomato slices, the onion slices. You can actually open up the ringlets if you want, like this. And onion is again as much as you want. Then, because we have here the red cabbage, I'm putting little to give contrast to the burger. Then is the time to put the lettuce. So let's put the lettuce. You can break and put the lettuce also, like this. Then we'll put the iceberg lettuce. The iceberg lettuce again, just cut it and place it over the burger. Now slowly, if you want, you can sprinkle pinch of salt, because the salads that we have cut doesn't have any salt. So you can sprinkle a little bit of salt over it, and then place the top burger like this. So if you feel at this stage that the burger is not manageable, what you can do is you can put a stick, a toothpick or a satay stick into the burger, and yeah, voila, the burger is ready for you to eat. So I will serve and show you. So I have served the egg burger along with sriracha sauce, that is a hot sauce, mayonnaise and mustard sauce. Also I have served it with the potato chips. You can also make potato wedges at home, which is very easy. Someday I will share the recipe with you. And yeah, this is delicious and very healthy homemade egg burger is ready to be eaten. And if you want to put the slice of the cheese, I haven't put today. What you can do is, whenever you are placing the hot egg, little warm egg over the burger, you place the cheese slice over it, so that it melts in the heat of the omelette. And yeah, that's it. I hope you liked my video, and do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I'm so happy to have your wonderful comments and likes. It makes me super happy, and it actually makes my day. So press the bell icon also so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks for watching my video. I'm so glad that I connected with all of you wonderful people. Take care. Bye.